Hi, I'm Gabriela and I'm here with Ewert, manager within the DEC group. We are standing in front of a blending equipment developed by DEC, which is the PTS Batchmixer. And Ewert, can you talk a little bit where this machine is employed, in which fields?
Okay. Absolutely. This equipment is used primarily in the pharmaceutical industry, applications both sterile, toxic and non-toxic applications. Also used in the food industry. Basically, the benefit of the system is it's a closed loop blending process. Most blending processes require some open feeds into the system. The benefit of this is it requires none of that. Material is drawn in from other sources in a closed fashion.
Yeah. And we can see also that it is in conjunction with the PTS, which is the powder transfer system, like a powder pump. Can you explain briefly how it works?
Yeah, basically, if you look at the top section on the left-hand side here, material is drawn into the top, passed into the center section, and that introduces the first material into the batch mixer itself. Once you've introduced the first material, then in this particular application we have a secondary line to draw material into the chamber, down into the second chamber. Once they're in this chamber, then naturally we can start blending, where blending starts in the top section, and that's where the core blending is taking place, where the two materials pass together and blend. They then drop down over a diffusion column inside, allowing material to circulate down and blend properly inside. Once you've introduced all the materials, then very simply we continue this rotation passage, so we actually pass the material through a loop, maybe up to 8 or 9 times to get a good blend. The blend time depends on the number of ingredients that are added, and it depends on the ease of blending of particular materials.
And as you said, it is applicable in the food industries as well, because it's a gentle, smooth blending, so the particles won't be damaged. Absolutely. Is that correct?
Absolutely, definitely. And when the blend sequence is finished, the material is passed out the bottom of the unit through specific valves. Those valves change depending on the application. So if we're using a particularly sterile system, then we have a special valve to allow material to drop out safely without any particulate contamination. Maybe it's slightly different on some of the other applications which maybe need a bit more pressure or a bit more aggression in the blending process.
Okay, thank you very much, Ewert. For any more information, you can drop us an email, drop us a line, or just contact us. Thank you.